Embedded designs are more complex than ever. Power distribution, Wi-Fi transmitters, serial buses. There are a lot of things that can go wrong, and troubleshooting can be costly and time-consuming. An MDO4000C mixed-domain oscilloscope can see digital, analog, and RF signals all at once and time-related to each other. This insight allows quick validation and fault isolation. The MDO4000C, with options MDO4MSO, AFG, and SA6, will simultaneously introduce a signal, capture and display up to 16 digital signals, 4 analog signals, and 1 RF signal. Having a broad mixed-domain view of a design allows debug and analysis previously unavailable. The MDO4000C is an oscilloscope you can grow into. Start streamlining your process today with the MDO4000C oscilloscope.